SB19 latest update on Billboard Fan Army Face Off 2025 Round 2. As of July 26, 8:10 p.m., SB19 has 92.9% against Ariana Grande's 7.1%. FYI, Round 2 will end on July 28 at 12 noon Eastern Time, at which point Round 3 kicks off. Now, some Arianators are commenting and calling SB19 a known band and the fans jobless people. Pero huwag nating seryosohin at personalin ang mga komentong ito dahil this is somewhat true. Unknown naman talaga para sa kanila ang SB19 and while 18 as jobless, di natin sila masisisi kung yan ang iisipin nila dahil we are so dedicated na aakalain talagang walang ibang ginagawa. Now remember that in Billboard's Fan Army Face Off, it's not about size, it's about who shows up, votes daily, spreads the word and supports with full energy. That's why SB19's 18 can beat way bigger Western fandoms like BTS ARMY or Ariana's Arianators in specific fan-driven competitions. And also, tandaan na kung hindi man nila kilala ang SB19 at 18, well, winning the Billboard Fan Army Face Off for the third time will surely make them remember our boys and us.